To start creating our tension ring, go to the Shanks tab and select the Cathedral command. For better visualization, switch to shaded mode in each viewport by using the option at the bottom right corner. Next, select Model 007 from the RhinoArtisan library and edit some parameters. First, go to the Gems tab and disable the Gems option. Then, return to the Shank parameters, click on the profile curve, and change it to Curve 022. Center the views using Pan, Zoom, and Rotate, followed by Zoom Extents All. Adjust the top width to 4.5 millimeters. Keep the top height at the default 1.5 millimeters, set the bottom width to 2.5 millimeters, and the bottom height to 1.5 millimeters. Further down in the Cathedral options, change the width to 4.6 millimeters, the height to 2.3 millimeters, leave the angle at 130 degrees, and set the tangent to 0 by dragging the slider to the left. In the bridge options, only change the width to 1.5 millimeters. With these adjustments, we've finished our shank. Now, it's time to add the gem. In the left panel, click on the Gem Studio command. Set the gem to 0.5 carat, add it, and accept. Now, from the front view, raise the gem until its culet touches the bridge. Once positioned, select it and go to the Diamonds tab. Use the Cutter command. Change the girdle height percentage to 4%, adjust the pavilion height to 71%, and activate the fourth cutter option. The goal is to fit the cutter as closely as possible to the gem. Next, in the Solid tab, click on the Boolean difference command. Select the shank, press Enter, then select the cutter and press Enter again. Hide the gem using the Hide command to see the result. Then, show the gem again using the Show command. Center the views once more. From the top view, create 2 more rings. In the Transform tab, select the Copy command. Type 0 to set the center as the central axis. At the bottom, activate the Grid Snap option to facilitate positioning. Using the grid references, position the rings, one on the left and one on the right. Press Enter to finish. Select each one and rotate them 45 degrees with the gumball. Activate all views again. In the Render and Animation tab, apply different materials for rendering: yellow gold 18K, white gold 18K, and rose gold 18K for each ring respectively. For the gems, apply the diamond material. And for the ground, apply a basic reflection. Finally, adjust the parameters for rendering. Now we have a beautiful collection of tension rings.